Good evening and welcome back to another video where I'm gonna go through with you how quickly you can get started with open source in Open Source Cloud. Our vision with Open Source Cloud is to make open source available for everyone, not only developers and engineers. You should not have to have any knowledge about containers, Docker, or cloud infrastructure in general. It should be easy. You should be able to just click using your web browser, clicking a few clicks of a button, and you are ready to start. So in this video today we are going to demonstrate how you can quite quickly get up and running restreaming your stream or your live stream to multiple publications. It could be Twitch, Facebook, YouTube Live, etc. And in order to do that, we have found this open source project called Restreamer from Data, I think it's called. It's available on GitHub. You can click there if you want to find out more about the project. But if you want to get started, you can quickly do that since we have imported into Open Source Cloud. What you do is you click on Get Started here. You enter your email address. You check your mailbox for the login code. You log in. You create a team. You call it OEC demo. And then we can skip the tour for now. So next thing is to basically create a service, Restreamer service that you can use. And basically we just click on this, create Restreamer. We can call it demo. It will consume 160 tokens per day. So with the 300 tokens you get on sign up, you can test this out for 1 day at least, or 2 days. But that's enough to get comfortable with it, I would say. And then you can upgrade and then start using this. So for now, just try it out. Press create. And there it is. So what's happened now is basically we're taking care of all the things of deploying this onto an infrastructure, making sure we have network connectivity, all those complex things you don't really have to think about. You can just get started, and we're going to do that. So we click on this, and then we will add a password. Demo 813. I'm going to set up an RTMP server because that is what we're going to use in this case. We need to enable it. We can add a token there. Need to restart it. Okay, we can close that one. Next we want to video setup. Then we will go back here and we'll copy this IP and port that we're going to use, or that we have got us allocated for us. I'll go to settings here in OBS. I'll go to stream, and then I will clear this and add RTMP, that IP and port. And then I'm gonna copy this path here. And then I'm gonna add the key I've added. Okay, and then I'm gonna start streaming. Wait for everything to be green. I press next. It identifies the video source, the audio source, it has metadata and other things. And let's wait for the stream to be available here. All right, it's there. We have the frame rate, we have the number of bits I'm using for this stream. You can just make sure everything looks okay. And then we can click here on publications because we want to publish this somewhere. In this case, we're going to use YouTube in this example. So I enter YouTube there, and I go to my YouTube and I copy the stream key, I paste it there, I press save. and then I can enable that output. And then we will soon see the streams received to YouTube. So there it is. So now we are live on YouTube with just a few clicks of a button, and then I could actually also add more publications if I had configured. I could use Facebook Live, Twitch, etc. And then I would be restreaming to all of these sources at the same publications at the same time. Right, that's it. Easy peasy, right? And if you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe or click like or add a notification, whatever you want, if you want to be updated when we publish a new video. So I can recommend that, and I guess that's something everyone says, but I actually do. And that's it for now. And as I said, if you have subscribed, you will be notified the next time we publish a new video in this area. And until then, log into Open Source Cloud, browse around, try it out. See, I think we have around 150, 160 open source projects now made available as a service, so you so simple can just get started with it. All right, thank you for the time. Bye bye.
Welcome to Ivin Open Source Cloud, your gateway to a world of open web services. Imagine a cloud service where every component is built on open source software. With Ivin Open Source Cloud, you can explore and evaluate top-notch web services without the need to manage your own hosting environment. Our platform offers you the freedom to choose. Use the services in the cloud today, and if you ever decide to bring them in-house, you're free to do so. There's no vendor lock-in, just pure open innovation at your fingertips. From storage and databases to media services, development tools, testing frameworks, and even a Minecraft server, our catalog is as diverse as it is dynamic. New open web services are continuously added every week, keeping you at the forefront of technology. Join us on this journey and experience the power of open source like never before with Ivin Open Source Cloud.